everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's learn English together with me. Today we are going to learn letter G. Which words start with letter G? Today we are going to study about that. Okay, let's start. G is for goat. Goat. G is for gun. Gun. G is for glove. Glove. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. G is for ginger. Ginger. G is for grapes. Grapes. G is for glue. Glue. G is for grass. Grass. G is for grasshopper. Grasshopper. G is for gift. Gift. G is for guitar. Guitar. G is for gate. Gate. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. G is for girl. Girl. G is for garbage. Garbage. G is for garden. Garden. G is for garlic. Garlic. G is for goose. Goose. G is for ghost. Ghost. G is for gym. Gym. G is for glass. Glass. G is for gold. Gold. Thanks for watching my video, everyone. If you want to get more video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.